The life of a jaguar involves various stages, from birth to adulthood. Jaguars, Panthera onca, are large felines native to the Americas, primarily found in rainforests, swamps, grasslands, and scrublands. Here's an overview of the life of a jaguar. Birth: jaguars are born after a gestation period of approximately 93 to 105 days. A female jaguar typically gives birth to a litter of 1 to 4 cubs. The cubs are born blind and helpless, and they open their eyes after about 2 weeks. Early development: the mother takes on the responsibility of caring for and protecting her cubs. She hides them in a den or dense vegetation to keep them safe from predators. Cubs begin to eat solid food at around 3 months but continue to nurse for several more months. Learning to hunt: as the cubs grow, the mother teaches them essential hunting and survival skills. Jaguars are known for their powerful and stealthy hunting techniques, often ambushing their prey. Independence: jaguars typically become independent between 1 and 2 years of age. They start venturing out on their own, exploring their territory, and honing their hunting skills. Establishing territory: adult jaguars are solitary animals and establish and defend territories, which can range from 25 to 40 square kilometers for males and 10 to 25 square kilometers for females. These territories may overlap, and conflicts between individuals can arise. Reproduction: jaguars reach sexual maturity between 2 and 4 years of age. Mating can occur throughout the year, and after a successful mating period, the female goes through a gestation period before giving birth to a new litter of cubs. Life in the wild: jaguars are apex predators, and their diet includes a variety of prey such as deer, capybaras, and caimans. They are excellent swimmers and are known to hunt in water. Their solitary nature helps them avoid competition for food within their territories. Threats and conservation: jaguars face various threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these magnificent animals. Several organizations work to preserve jaguar habitats and mitigate conflicts between jaguars and human activities. The life of a jaguar in the wild can be challenging, but these powerful and adaptable predators play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure their survival in the face of various threats. Adaptations for survival: jaguars are well adapted to their environments. They have a robust build and powerful jaws, allowing them to deliver a lethal bite to their prey. Their coat is typically yellow or tan with distinctive black rosettes and spots, providing effective camouflage in the dappled light of the forest. Hunting behavior: jaguars are known for their stealthy hunting tactics. They often rely on ambushes and are capable of taking down a variety of prey, including large animals like deer and peccaries. Their powerful jaws allow them to pierce the skulls of their prey with their sharp teeth and deliver a quick and fatal bite to the neck. Nocturnal lifestyle: jaguars are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid the heat of the day and increases their chances of successful hunting. Territorial behavior: jaguars are territorial animals, and the size of their territory depends on factors such as the availability of prey and water sources. They mark their territories with scent markings and vocalizations to communicate with other jaguars. Swimming abilities: jaguars are excellent swimmers and are known to hunt in water. They can often be found near rivers and swamps, where they may prey on fish, caimans, and other aquatic animals. Communication: jaguars communicate using vocalizations, including roars, grunts, and meows. These sounds play a role in marking territory, attracting mates, and communicating with cubs. Human-jaguar conflict: human activities, such as deforestation and expansion of agricultural areas, can lead to conflicts between jaguars and humans. Jaguars may prey on livestock, leading to retaliatory killings by farmers. Conservation initiatives focus on mitigating these conflicts through methods like community-based conservation, habitat protection, and education. Conservation status. Jaguars are listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats, reduce poaching, and address human-wildlife conflicts to ensure their long-term survival. Understanding the intricacies of a jaguar's life, behavior, and the challenges they face in the wild is crucial for effective conservation strategies to protect these iconic big cats. Role in ecosystem. Jaguars play a vital role in their ecosystems as top predators. By regulating prey populations, they help maintain the balance of the food chain. This, in turn, has cascading effects on vegetation and other wildlife. Home range and movements. Jaguars have large home ranges that they actively patrol. The size of the home range depends on factors such as the availability of prey, water sources, and the presence of other jaguars. They may travel extensively to meet their needs. Cub mortality. While jaguar cubs face threats from predators such as large snakes and other big cats, their mortality rate is also influenced by factors like diseases and the availability of food. The first few months of a jaguar cub's life are particularly vulnerable. Mating behavior. During the mating season, male jaguars may travel long distances in search of a mate. Mating pairs spend some time together, and after mating, the male typically leaves, leaving the female to care for the cubs. Diversity in habitat. Jaguars are found in a variety of habitats, ranging from rainforests and swamps to grasslands and scrublands. Their adaptability to different environments contributes to their widespread distribution in the Americas. Conservation initiatives. Various organizations and governments are involved in jaguar conservation efforts. These initiatives often include the creation of protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and community involvement in conservation projects. Research and technology. Advancements in technology, such as camera traps and satellite tracking collars, have greatly contributed to jaguar research. These tools provide valuable insights into jaguar behavior, movement patterns, and population dynamics. Global distribution. Jaguars once had a wide distribution across the Americas, from the southern United States to Argentina. However, their range has significantly decreased due to habitat loss and fragmentation. Legal protection. Jaguars are protected by law in many countries, and international agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, regulate the trade of jaguar parts. Understanding the complexities of jaguar ecology, behavior, and conservation challenges is crucial for developing effective strategies to ensure the long-term survival of these majestic big cats. Conservation efforts require collaboration on local, national, and international levels to address the various threats faced by jaguars in the wild. Mating and reproduction. Jaguars do not have a fixed mating season, and reproduction can occur throughout the year. The courtship period involves behaviors such as vocalizations, marking territory, and following each other. The gestation period is around 93 to 105 days, after which the female gives birth to a litter of cubs. The number of cubs in a litter can vary, but it is usually 1 to 4. Cub rearing. Jaguar cubs are born with closed eyes, and they open them after about 2 weeks. The mother is the primary caregiver, providing protection, grooming, and food. Cubs start accompanying their mother on hunting expeditions at around 6 months of age, learning crucial skills for survival. Diet and feeding habits. Jaguars are opportunistic carnivores with a diverse diet. They feed on a variety of prey, including deer, capybaras, tapirs, and smaller mammals. They are known to have a preference for large prey. Their powerful jaws and teeth allow them to deliver a lethal bite to the skull or neck of their prey. Vocalizations. Jaguars are known for their distinctive vocalizations. They can produce a range of sounds, including roars, grunts, meows, and chuffing sounds. These vocalizations serve various purposes, such as establishing territory and communicating with potential mates. Genetic diversity. Maintaining genetic diversity within jaguar populations is crucial for their long-term survival. Fragmentation of habitats can lead to isolated populations, increasing the risk of inbreeding and genetic issues. Climate adaptations. Jaguars are found in a variety of climates, from tropical rainforests to more arid environments. Their adaptability to different climates is a testament to their resilience as a species. Threats to jaguars. The primary threats to jaguars include habitat loss due to deforestation, fragmentation, and conversion of land for agriculture. Jaguars are also at risk of being killed by humans due to conflicts with livestock, poaching for their skins and body parts, and retaliatory killings. Conservation challenges. Protecting jaguars requires addressing complex conservation challenges. This includes creating and maintaining corridors that connect fragmented habitats, addressing human-wildlife conflicts, and promoting sustainable land use practices. Role in indigenous cultures. Jaguars hold cultural significance in many indigenous societies in the Americas. They are often featured in myths, stories, and rituals, symbolizing strength and power. As we continue to learn more about jaguars, ongoing research and conservation efforts are essential for ensuring the survival of this iconic species in the wild. The challenges they face are multifaceted, requiring a comprehensive and collaborative approach to conservation. Roaming behavior. Jaguars are known for their extensive roaming behavior within their territories. They may travel long distances in search of food, mates, or to patrol and mark their territory boundaries. Spatial overlap. While jaguars are generally solitary animals, there can be spatial overlap in the territories of males and females, especially during the mating season. This overlap is managed through scent marking and vocalizations. Ailments and diseases. Like other wild animals, jaguars can be susceptible to diseases. Factors such as habitat degradation and contact with domestic animals can increase the risk of disease transmission. Conservation efforts include monitoring and addressing health issues in jaguar populations. Climate change impact. Climate change poses a threat to jaguars by altering their habitats and affecting the distribution of their prey. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can impact the availability of water sources, which is crucial for jaguars. Role in seed dispersal. Jaguars indirectly contribute to the health of their ecosystems by playing a role in seed dispersal. When they consume fruit-eating prey, the seeds are often spread across different areas through their feces, aiding in forest regeneration. Hybridization. In some cases, jaguars may hybridize with other big cat species, such as leopards. Hybridization can occur when the ranges of different big cat species overlap, leading to potential genetic implications for both species. Camera trapping and research. Camera trapping has become a valuable tool in jaguar research. Researchers use motion-activated cameras to capture images of jaguars in their natural habitats, providing insights into their behavior, population dynamics, and distribution. Education and awareness. Conservation initiatives often involve education and awareness programs aimed at local communities. Promoting coexistence between jaguars and humans is crucial for reducing conflicts and supporting conservation efforts. International collaboration. Jaguar conservation often requires international collaboration due to the vast range of these animals across multiple countries. Organizations, researchers, and governments work together to implement conservation strategies that transcend political boundaries. Tourism and ecotourism. In some regions, jaguar tourism and ecotourism have become tools for conservation. Responsible tourism practices can contribute to local economies and raise awareness about the importance of jaguar conservation. Jaguar rehabilitation. In cases where jaguars are rescued or rehabilitated due to injury or human-wildlife conflict, efforts may be made to reintroduce them to the wild after rehabilitation. This process involves careful consideration of the individual jaguar's health and behavior. Understanding these additional aspects of jaguar ecology, conservation challenges, and the interconnectedness of their role in ecosystems provides a more comprehensive view of the efforts required to ensure the continued existence of these magnificent big cats. Night vision and hunting adaptations. Jaguars are known for their exceptional night vision, which aids them in hunting during low-light conditions. Their keen senses, combined with a stocky and powerful build, make them highly effective predators. Social behavior. Jaguars are generally solitary animals, but there have been observations of temporary associations, especially between mating pairs and mothers with cubs. However, these associations are not long-lasting, and jaguars are not considered social in the same way as some other big cats. Cultural significance. Jaguars hold cultural significance in the mythology and folklore of many indigenous communities in the Americas. They are often revered as symbols of power, strength, and mysticism. The jaguar is sometimes considered a spiritual guide or guardian. Adaptation to different altitudes. Jaguars can adapt to a range of altitudes, from lowland tropical rainforests to mountainous regions. This adaptability contributes to their ability to inhabit diverse ecosystems. Intraspecific interactions. In areas where multiple jaguars share overlapping territories, there may be occasional conflicts between individuals. These conflicts can involve vocalizations, scent marking, and even physical confrontations, especially when establishing dominance or during the mating season. Impact of habitat fragmentation. Habitat fragmentation, often caused by human activities such as agriculture and urbanization, poses a significant threat to jaguar populations. It can lead to isolated populations, limiting gene flow and making them more vulnerable to local extinctions. Jaguar conservation corridors. Conservationists work to establish and maintain jaguar corridors, which are stretches of land that connect fragmented habitats. These corridors allow for the movement of jaguars between different areas, promoting genetic diversity and overall population health. Role in the carbon cycle. Jaguars indirectly contribute to the carbon cycle through their influence on prey populations. By controlling herbivore numbers, they help prevent overgrazing, allowing vegetation to sequester more carbon. This ecological role has implications for climate change mitigation. Anti-poaching efforts. Poaching remains a threat to jaguars, primarily driven by the demand for their skins and other body parts. Anti-poaching efforts involve patrolling protected areas, implementing stricter laws and penalties, and raising awareness about the consequences of illegal wildlife trade. Jaguar research and genetics. Advances in genetic research provide insights into the genetic diversity and health of jaguar populations. Genetic studies help conservationists make informed decisions about breeding programs and habitat management. Role in ecotourism. Responsible ecotourism, where tourists can observe jaguars in their natural habitat without causing disturbance, can contribute to local economies and generate funds for conservation initiatives. It also fosters a greater appreciation for jaguar conservation. The conservation of jaguars involves addressing a complex interplay of ecological, social, and economic factors. Ongoing research, community engagement, and international collaboration are key components of successful jaguar conservation efforts.